everyone, you hours here, and today I will show you my homemade squishies from foam, which is also painted by my DIY squishy paint, or also known as Puffy paint. For the first squishy, I have here a chocolate cookie with 5 M&Ms on top. I don't know why, but it kind of gives me this Thanos gauntlet feels, but maybe it's because of these colorful M&Ms that kind of represent the Infinity Stones. Its squishy level is at 2/5, and I can totally get that because I just covered it with only one layer of Puffy paint. But all in all, it's cute and I like it. Next squishy, we have a watermelon. So this squishy was also covered with only one layer of Puffy paint, and because it's so thin, I can only give it a 1 out of 5 squishiness level. But that's okay, I still love it because I made it and it's looking so kawaii with its cute sparkling eyes and its little smirk. Look at that, it's so cute! By the way guys, if you want to know how I made my DIY squishy paints, you can go in the description box. There's a link there I left for the tutorial, so you can go check that out if you want to make this very affordable Puffy paint. Next, we have here a white die. It has 6 sides just like the common dies, and its squishiness is at 2. I don't know why it's kind of slow rising because I also just covered it with only one layer of Puffy paint. But despite its squishiness, it's my least favorite among all the squishies here. For the fourth one, I have here a chocolate cupcake with pink frosting and colorful sprinkles. I coated this squishy with 2 layers of paint, that's why its squishiness is at 3 out of 5. This cupcake squishy is also the most slow rising, so I really like it. Lastly, I have here my personal favorite from this batch. We have a pizza with drooling cheese on the sides, pepperoni, and green pepper slices. Just like most of the squishies in this video, this is also coated with only one layer of squishy paint, yet it still has a 2 out of 5 level of squishiness. I really liked how this one turned out, and even though it's not slow rising, I still like it because of the design, so if you too like this DIY squishy, you can check the link in the description and watch the tutorial of how I made this creation. Alright yo fam, thank you so much for watching, and if you want me to make more squishies, just comment down below and might as well suggest what squishy to create next. But before we end this video, shout out to Graphinium, Freya Scattergood, Noah Salcedo, Cooper Murray, Choice Season, Magical Pancake, and it's Aliyah Place for being part of the most amazing, most awesome notification squad. Again, thank you so much, and as always, stay creative.